let's take a look at setting up the initial Illustrator document for the challenge. And you can find all the specs for the initial document setup on the challenge page. So let's go ahead and go to Illustrator, and you'll note that we have various presets, and you can look at other presets for different digital environments. But we will just go to File, New, and we're going to go with letter size, and I'm going to change the units from points to inches for this assignment. And let's see, our orientation will be portrait. We'll have one artboard. Our document will be 8.5 by 11 inches. The bleed will be set to 0 on all 4 sides. The bleed is when you're working with a print document and you want to make sure that any artwork which is right up to the edge of the document bleeds off by X amount, usually about 1/8 of an inch, and that's in case things shift on press, that you don't get like a little white sliver or a substrate color on the side of your image and the edge of the page. It's just so if things shift, the image or the artwork still bleeds off as the designer intended, and so that's bleed. Now we're going to take a look at our advanced options, and we are going to work with CMYK color mode, cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. K represents black. Our raster effects will be set to high, 300 pixels per inch. That way, if we have any sort of shadows or soft edges or gradations, they're going to be of a higher quality. We're going to keep the preview mode in default, and let's just click on more settings, and basically you're going to see everything you already see over here. Okay, and there used to be a few other options, but I would say the biggest one here now is the ability to deal with your artboard layout. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and name our document right now, and let's see. I'm going to pause the recording and just make sure that we name our document correctly. All right, so if I go back to the specs here, I see save your doc and name only with your last name. So let's go back to Illustrator. I'll name my file with my last name. And we should be good to go. So I'll go ahead and create my document. And we are now ready to begin adding the artwork to our Illustrator Challenge document.